Get next-level security and convenience with the all-new Video Doorbell 2. Armed with motion-activated alerts, 1080 HD video and two-way talk, Ring lets you watch over your home and answer the door from anywhere. Day or night, rain or shine, you're always home. 1080 HD video, rechargeable battery pack, wide-angle camera lens, motion-activated alerts, Wi-Fi compatible, weather-resistant, adjustable motion sensors, easy installation, lifetime purchase protection. Works on any home, runs off its internal battery pack, or connects to doorbell wiring for non-stop power. Advanced motion detection. Adjust your motion sensors to find the ideal setting for you and your home. Security in your hands. Get alerts on your phone, tablet and PC when people come to your door. A finish for every home. Ring Video Doorbell 2 comes with 2 interchangeable faceplates, so you can pick a color that matches your home and your style. Choose from Venetian bronze or satin nickel.